What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from the two Nollywood actors that you guys are so crazy about. I'm talking of no other person but Osita iheme and Pawpaw Chinedu Ikedieze. They have not really said anything about politics, especially the obedient kind of politics that is more over the place in Nigeria. But well, Pawpaw has actually shown his intention on who he will be casting and giving his vote come 2023, and that's the highlight I'll be sharing with you here in this video. We all know that everybody needs a change in this country called Nigeria, and yes, when we see people like this supporting, it's a beautiful thing. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section.
I'm voting for myself. I want to contest for president of this country. I'm tired.
Very important.
Yes.
Very important.
If they don't give me ticket, then I'll vote for Pito.
Abi?
Yes, now.
You're no longer contesting.
The way I'm seeing, before they kill me on time, so let me give it to Pito. Yes, so. I'm a young boss. No, where you did? They do summer body. I know say you know do with it. I know say you know do with it. Where you did? They do summer body.